Hey y'all, getting ready for a press conference. Oh, my camera is like dropping off by itself. But anyways, this is my little makeup and I just finished my hair. Anyways, so I'm just gonna finish my lips a little bit. Guys, I'm super late. Like, I'm gonna be so late. It's not funny. And I hate being late because I like to be early at everything. Okay? But anyways, this is my lips combo, red lipstick and black pencil, in case you guys were wondering. We're ready. Yeah, anyways, let me fix my makeup stuff, and because, like, look at this is a mess. Anyways, let me fix this up and call my driver so he can pick me up and get to the destination, because tonight is about to go down and I'm excited to see what's the plan, what is it about. This is my little outfit, yellow dress. I don't remember where I got this dress from, but I wore it once and I'm wearing it again. Rarely do that, but anyways, my sandals from Shein, super cute. And yeah.
Des attitudes de badisme, c'est ma baby.
Sexy, sexy, sexy.